AI model _ patient condition vs health score, video analysis. To explain the video titled AI model, patient condition vs health score by Pradeep K. Suri from the point of view of mathematical formulas and mathematical branches relevant to an AI architect, we break down the DNN, deep neural network, flow and interpret each part mathematically. Welcome to the AI-powered DNN model, patient condition to health score, designed by Pradeep K. Suri, AI/ML architect. Brain input layer, clinical parameters. Studio microphone. The model begins with the intake of key patient features: body temperature, blood pressure, heart rate, oxygen saturation, blood sugar, and symptom vectors. Studio microphone. Each feature is normalized using statistical formulas such as mean and standard deviation to bring all inputs into a comparable scale. For example, mu plus or minus sigma. Studio microphone. Mathematically, these inputs are treated as a vector x in the space dot. Magnifying glass. Tilted left. Hidden layers, feature extraction. Studio microphone. Next, the data flows through multiple hidden layers. Each neuron computes a weighted sum, z equals the dot product of weights and inputs, plus a bias z equals wx plus b. Studio microphone. This value passes through activation functions like ReLU or sigmoid, representing branches of calculus due to their derivatives. Studio microphone. The network learns nonlinear relationships, enabling it to identify patterns in patient data that aren't obvious at surface level. Chart. Increasing output layer, health score. Studio microphone. At the final layer, the model outputs a health score between 0 and 100. This can be computed using a regression formula or a probability distribution like softmax for classification. Studio microphone. The function f, x, equals softmax, wa plus b, calculates the most probable outcome of the patient's health condition. Gear training, loss and optimization. Studio microphone. During training, the model uses a loss function to measure its prediction accuracy. If using mean squared error, the formula is L equals y superscript 2 averaged over all patients. Studio microphone. To reduce this loss, the model adjusts weights using gradient descent powered by the chain rule from differential calculus. Studio microphone. This iterative learning process is known as backpropagation, a fusion of calculus and linear algebra. Bar chart. Model summary. Studio microphone. From statistics at the input layer, to calculus in activation and optimization, and linear algebra throughout, this DNN model is a symphony of mathematical logic powering real-world patient assessment. Studio microphone. AI architects can customize this model across hospitals, wearables, and health monitoring systems, making predictive care truly data-driven. Receipt closing. Studio microphone. This concludes our mathematical walkthrough of the AI model, patient condition to health score, authored by Pradeep K. Suri. For visual overlays or PowerPoint summaries, please request the extended companion material. Clapperboard video breakdown, AI DNN for patient condition to health score. 1 input layer, patient features. Each input node represents clinical or physiological parameters. Input node math branch formula representation. Body temperature statistics: mu plus or minus sigma, mean plus or minus STD dev. Blood pressure, systolic/diastolic, algebra and trigonometry S/D ratio. Heart rate calculus D/hr/dt, change over time. Oxygen saturation set theory O2 set membership symbol 95%, 100%. Blood sugar level probability P, hyperglycemia. Symptoms vector, cough, pain, etc. Discrete math binary vector, X set membership symbol 0, 1. 2 hidden layers, feature transformation. Each hidden layer applies activation functions and weighted sums. Formula used, core DNN computation. Z equals sigma I equals 1 yxc plus b rightward arrow activation A equals F, Z equals \sum underscore I equals 1 caret NW underscore IX underscore I plus B \quad \text rightward arrow activation \quad A equals F, Z equals I equals 1 sigma yxc plus B rightward arrow activation A equals F, Z. Math branches. Linear algebra, weighted sum using matrix operations. Calculus, activation functions, example sigmoid, ReLU, and their gradients. Probability, dropout layers or uncertainty modeling. Common activations. ReLU, F, X, equals max, 0x, F, X, equals backslash max, 0, x, F, X, equals max, 0x. Sigmoid, F, X, equals 11 plus E x F, X, equals backslash frac 1 1 plus E caret x F, X, equals 1 plus E x1. 10, F, X, equals x E's x plus E x F, X, equals backslash frac E caret x plus E caret x F, X, equals x plus E's x E x. 3 output layer, health score prediction. Predicted output, health score between 0 to 100. Math branch, probability, optimization. Formula. Y caret equals softmax, WA plus B, or E caret equals F, WX plus B, backslash hat Y equals backslash text softmax, W backslash dot A plus B, backslash quad backslash text or backslash quad backslash hat Y equals F, WX plus B, Y caret equals softmax, WA plus B, or E caret equals F, WX plus B. Where Y caret backslash hat Y caret is the predicted health score or class probability. For loss function, training phase. Mathematical branch, optimization, calculus. Formula example. OMSE, mean squared error. L equals 1 n sigma I equals 1 n, y caret I, 2 backslash mathcal L equals backslash frac 1 n backslash sum underscore I equals 1 caret n, y underscore I, backslash hat y underscore I, caret 2 L equals n1 I equals 1 sigma n, y caret I, 2. O cross entropy, if classification. L equals sigma E log, y caret I, backslash mathcal L equals, backslash sum underscore I y underscore I backslash log, backslash hat y underscore I, L equals I sigma U log, y caret I. 5 backpropagation, learning process. Math branches, calculus, derivatives, linear algebra. Chain rule. LW equals LAAZZW backslash frac backslash partial backslash mathcal L backslash partial W equals backslash frac backslash partial backslash mathcal L backslash partial A backslash dot backslash frac backslash partial A backslash partial Z backslash dot backslash frac backslash partial Z backslash partial WWL equals ALZAWZ. White heavy check mark summary, math branch to AI layer mapping. AI layer / concept math branch involved. Input features statistics, set theory, algebra. Weighted summation linear algebra. Activation functions calculus. Prediction, output layer, probability, linear algebra. Loss functions optimization, calculus. Backpropagation differential calculus. Thank you for watching.